boastful T-Rex. A half-terraced dinosaur was flying around in the sky, enjoying the beautiful sunrise when suddenly he heard commotion in the forest. He flew closer for further inspection. A ferocious T-Rex was surrounded by a group of Deinonychus dinosaurs. Harboring an old enmity, they were in the middle of a fight when the T-Rex said, "You can't do anything to me. Only my own teeth can tear my skin, nobody else's." What the T-Rex thought was a good time to be boastful turned out to be his biggest folly. The Deinonychus aimed at the T-Rex's teeth now, attacked from everywhere, and successfully broke enough of them to attack him together, breaking his skin at multiple places. Injured and tired of fighting, the T-Rex cried, "Alas!" as it died. We often give our enemies the means for our own destruction. One cannot have everything. Once there lived a Confuciusornis dinosaur, Carl. Carl had the most beautiful feathers that made him look very attractive. Every dinosaur was always appreciating and complimenting Carl, but he never paid any heed to it all. Carl was unhappy. He looked at others and wondered why he didn't have a large stature or sharp teeth. He always wanted what the other dinosaurs had. Unhappy and envious, one morning Carl perched upon a treetop and started crying over all he wished he had but didn't. Suddenly, a Petinosaurus sat next to him and said, "You can fly, you look beautiful, you are fast, and you get the best view of the forest and beyond. Can you imagine a T-Rex or an Elasmosaurus do?" Carl suddenly realized how special he was. He understood how he couldn't possibly have everything, especially when he was already blessed with so much. Saved by the sun, Sally was a curious explorer, just like her dino dad. Together, they would hike and trek all over the forest area. One day, little Sally decided to explore on her own. As she walked around, marveling at the tall trees, she noticed that it was getting dark and she should rush home. Turning around, Sally realized that she was lost. She didn't know which direction to go in. Immediately, she started roaring for her mom and dad, but no one could hear her. Wiping away tears, she looked around for the setting sun and thought, "The sun sets in the west and I see it from my window, so I should walk in that direction." As she walked towards the west, she saw familiar trees and rocks, and then her home. She hugged her dad and thanked him for teaching her to pay attention to surroundings. Quicksand and quick thinking. Once upon a time, two dinosaurs were racing in the forest to see who could zigzag around the trees and rocks the fastest. As they ran and laughed, enjoying themselves, suddenly one of them slipped and fell into some muck. Covered in dirt and muck, they laughed louder until he began to sink in. It wasn't ordinary muck, it was quicksand, and the dino's life was in danger. Immediately, his friend sprang into action and said, "Calm down, I'll get you out." With quick thinking and resourcefulness, he started collecting branches and leaves and everything strong. He quickly made a long rope, swung it towards his trapped friend, and then tied it to a tree nearby. With all his might, he then pulled his friend to safety. Swearing to be more careful and paying attention to their surroundings, they walked home, having escaped danger.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.